Good afternoon. My name is Brittany Morrison, and we will be learning about prefixes and how their meanings change the meaning of the root word. So first, we need to know, what is a prefix? Well, it's just a chunk of letters that are added to the beginning of a root word, and then it gives the root word a new meaning. So some examples of a few prefixes are the chunk of letters un, dis, ex, mis, and non. There are lots and lots of prefixes out there. Today we will just be going through a few examples, but there are very, very many prefixes that have different meanings, each of them. So the first prefix that we will cover is the prefix re. So when you put re in front of a root word, it means again. So in our first example, we have reconstruction. This means to build again. You're reconstructing something, so you're building it again. The next example is reorganize. So maybe you can reorganize your messy room. You organize it again. And then our last example for re is regenerate, which means maybe like how a lizard regenerates their tail. If it gets cut off, it grows back again. So regenerate. Our next prefix is non, which typically means not. So for our first example, non-fat, that means that it has no fat, there's none in it. So maybe you're eating some non-fat yogurt. Our second example is non-stop. So you are going non-stop. You're not stopping at all. And then our third example is nonsense. So in this case, it doesn't make sense. It's just nonsense. No sense at all. Our third example is the prefix uni, which means one. So our first word is uniform. And this means like everyone looks the same. They're all uniform, or they wear the same uniform. So in this case, if you're in the military, you wear the same uniform if you're in a certain branch. Our next word is unison, which means that you're in unison. You are one unity. You are together. So that prefix uni in there means one group. And then also one of my favorites is unicorn. So that it means that the unicorn has one horn. So those are a few of examples of prefixes and how they change the meaning of a root word. So thank you.